as governor of New York, can you pardon the sentence of Dextor Taylor? If I become governor of New York, not only will I pardon Dextor Taylor, I will censor the judge who put him away. Both. I will pardon him and censor her. I will publicly shame her. Why would I do that? Why would you publicly shame that judge? The judge in Dextor Taylor's case said in her courtroom, the Second Amendment doesn't exist in my courtroom. That's what she said. And her punishment for that was nothing. My point. My earlier point. She is the perfect example of what I was talking about with judges. The perfect example. She said, in essence, her words were a Second Amendment doesn't exist. But what she said in essence is, the Bill of Rights does not exist in my courtroom. How can a judge who, in theory, swears an allegiance to the Constitution say the Bill of Rights does not exist in her courtroom? Well, she did. Why would she say that? Because she's not beholden to the Constitution, as I've said. She's not beholden to the people, as I've said. For those of you who don't know Dextor Taylor was a Brooklyn engineer, black man, an engineer who had a daughter, and decided, you know what? I think I might want to become a gunsmith. That's what he thought. So he purchased legally parts of a gun to try to put them together to see how it works. Legally. Bought them like on Amazon, like legally through credit cards, all legal stuff. Put them together. Wasn't selling it. No ammunition. Wasn't selling. And somebody in his building snitched on him. To my point, Josh, people in New York snitch on people like that because they like that. Mr. Taz, my point, people in New York State do that. They didn't go, you know what? Let me leave this guy alone. He's not harming anybody. They went, oh my God, he's doing stuff. Call the cops. The cops kicked in his door. Not joking. If you want to, you can Google Larry Sharpe, Dextor Taylor. I did an interview. I covered the entire thing. Kicked in his door, put him in jail, put him away. He's doing 8 years. He has a teenage daughter. The state, yet again, took a black father away from the family of a teenage daughter and wrecked a family for a man who created no victim. He didn't sell. He didn't rob anybody. He didn't break any other law. This is because of Kathy Hochul's ghost gun stuff, which all of those are unconstitutional. But our judges not only don't stop the bullshit law, they enforce it and say the Constitution doesn't matter. Why do you think I hate our judges so much?